Hi friends, welcome to SeekaHost in the YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how to install the SSL in the cPanel new interface after the 2026 cPanel patch update. The SSL installation interface is fully changed. Let me show you how to install the SSL in the new interface. Without making any further delay, let's roll out the intro and get into the video. As a first step, log into a cPanel of the website from the SeekaHost India client area or directly from the browser. On the right side of the cPanel dashboard, you can see the option named SSL certificate. Click on the Add SSL certificate option and open it. Here the first option is SSL wizard. Scroll down and click on the Add the domains that you want to secure with the certificate button and click on the domain that you want to add the certificate. Now on the right side you can see the error like the website is not pointing to any IP address. Also, if you scroll up, you can see the top menu bar. Click on the status button. Here you can see the status of each and every domain in your cPanel. Before proceeding with the SSL installation, please point the domain to the particular cPanel's IP. Once you have fixed the issue that was triggering the error, you can proceed with the SSL installation. In my case, I have pointed the domain to the allocated IP. Now click on the same Add SSL certificate button and go to the SSL wizard option. Now again click on the option Add the domains that you want to secure with this certificate and click on the domains that you want to add in this certificate. Once you have checked the domains, please wait for a few seconds to domain control validation checking to be completed. Once it's done, click on the continue button and now click on the Let's Encrypt certificate button. Here you can see the issue message like the following domains failed the DCV check. You click on the option remove the domains that failed. Now click on the secure these domains button. Now again scroll down and click on the option select the product that you want to like for the certificate and click on the Let's Encrypt certificate option. Now the Let's Encrypt SSL certificate will be installed for all the domains that you have chosen. Once the SSL is installed, click on the SSL status option and check that all the domains has been installed with the SSL certificate. The same top menu bar, if you click on the certificates option, you can see the certificates on this server. Also here you can upload a new certificate or generate a new certificate. Now again scroll up and click on the keys option on the top menu bar. You can see upload and generate a new private key. On the top right menu bar, if you click on the requests option, here you can see the SSL certificate signing request, certificate signing request related details. The same menu bar, if you click on the installation option, here you can see the SSL certificates that was installed for your website. On the same top menu bar, if you click on the settings option, here you can see the SSL certificate settings. Here you can set up the basic SSL key type. That's all friends. If you have any doubts on the details mentioned in this video, please drop a comment. If you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel. For the instant updates about the video, please press the bell icon.